You're welcome to Skilldemy. In this video, I would show you some few essential text functions in Microsoft Excel. In fact, it is interesting to know and it will help you to move around easily when you are working with Microsoft Excel. Okay, I'm going to show you how the function left works, how the function right works, and how mid or the middle works in Microsoft Excel when you are working with text or string variables. Okay, so let's assume that you have a data like this. Okay, and you need serial numbers to represent your data set. Okay, you need serial numbers. You do not want to type the full variable name or the text name. You do not want to type the full thing. You just want serial numbers. Now let's use the left function first. Okay, now because it's a function in Excel, you begin with an equal to sign. Okay, so let's say we want to use the first three letters counting from the left to be the serial numbers for the variables. Okay, so because we want to use that, we just click on the left, then you select your text that you want to select the serial number from. So we select the office desk, and what we are telling Excel is that in that cell we are taking the first three letters. So when you enter the text, then you enter the number of letters 3. So we are taking the first three letters from the left to be a representative over here. So when you are done, then you close your brackets, then you enter. So you realize that office desk, it is given as OFF, counting from the left. So picking the first three letters from the left as our serial number. So that means that when you are working with your data set, where you see OFF, that is office desk. Okay, that is. And now you double click, you put your cursor over here, then you double click, then it will run through. Because it's a function, it will run through it like that. So you see toothbrush is TOO, now whiteboard is WHI. Because of the function we use the left function. All right, let's use the right function. It is a text function in Excel. So let's say we want another serial number here, but we want to use the right function. Now what we are saying is that Excel should look into the cell or the column that we are selecting, the texts that are there. It should give us the first three letters. Okay, it should, or we can make it 4, irrespective, depending on the number that you want. So the first three letters counting from the right, Excel should give us those numbers, and that becomes our serial number for those variables. Then again, you go to equal to sign, then you type right. So the right returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string counting from the right. So you double click, then we still select the office desk because that is the column we want to use. Then you indicate the number of characters. Now we are saying 3 characters. You close the parenthesis, then you enter. So you realize that office desk, counting from the right, the first 3 letters, it is ESK, and that is what we have over here. Now when you are done, you double click, and because the function, it runs through, and you have something like this as your right function. Now, so this is the left function, this is the right function. Let's say we want a middle function. This is a text function, we want a middle function, and what we are saying is that we want a serial number. Okay, we want a serial number that is we are picking the middle numbers. So in this case, we are picking the first 4 middle numbers in the text strings that we are working with. Now what we are going to do is to do equal to sign, then you type the mid. Now you see the mid returns the characters from the middle of a text string, giving a starting position and length. Okay, now with this one, we are not just going to enter the column number or the column name and the number of characters. We are going to enter the column, then we will enter the point that it should, the number that the counting should start from. Then we indicate the number of characters we want to select. Okay, so let's say we are picking office desk. Now we have to indicate the middle, so you select this cell. Now you have to indicate the middle where you want it to start from. Let's say we want it to start from the I, no, we want it to start from the CE. Okay, so counting from this side, office 1 2 3 4 5. So we want it to start counting from the 5th number, so you enter the 5th number. Then you also enter the number of characters. Okay, the number of characters you want to pick. Now in this case, we are picking 4 characters from the middle, counting from the 5th letter, so you enter 4 like this way. Then you close your brackets, then you enter. So you realize that this one is given as CED because it is also counting the space as a character. So we have C1, E2, space 3, and D as 4. So the same way, you double click and you run through, and this becomes the serial numbers that you want to use. So you realize that over here we have the original text, which is in column E. Then we have our first serial number, which is the left function. Then we have our other serial number, which is our right function. Then we have our third serial number, which is the mid function. So any of this that you want to use in Microsoft Excel, based on the variable that you are working with and how you would understand, you can easily use any of these text functions to get your work done as easy as ABC. Okay, now because these things are functions, when you are done, just select them. In order to take out the function, just select them, copy and paste it back. Now in pasting it, use the values option, the 1 2 3, so that it will clean out the functions that you have in it, and now you have this work that you can copy and paste it anywhere that you want to use it, and it makes your work so easier. It makes your work so easy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.